Hi, I'm Bridie. I'm an artist with a multidisciplinary background, and this is my studio here in Hopkinstown. My art rave project came about where I was just thinking about me as a creative and what I'm interested in. I love dance music and created performance work for many years, but now I do more studio-based work. So it's kind of bringing together my skills of my history and my current interests and sort of exploring that really. I had a bit of seed funding from Creative Cardiff recently, and we had a day to explore what it would be like to bring different artists together, in particular studio-based artists who maybe work on their own, doing creative stuff but not necessarily collaborating with others, to work alongside performers and kind of have a go at kind of creating work that could be performed in some way, thinking about the Welsh language as well and kind of bringing that into the work and making that a really important part of the process. Because when we think about the culture of Wales, typically we go with sort of histories and sort of industrial heritage and all of our traditions and our old stories. But I'm just interested in what actually is modern Wales now. So I want us to kind of play with that and use that festival rave culture to kind of help us to explore this kind of modern version of who we are as creatives. The creative community in Rhondda Cynon Taf is just really exciting. There's so much work happening here, and there's loads of creatives here just interested in doing things and interested in going to things. Traditionally, we've had, these theatres here that have currently been closed and that are slowly reopening and more happening. But there is a real interest in things that are kind of experience-led, I feel. Stuff that really makes you feel part of the community. So I like the idea that the art rave could be people coming together and, enjoying something together, and that it's around the experience that you have as an audience and what you take away from that.